Hey, look out for the police over there outside. No, that's the reason. That's the reason. All this bling. Understand me? I'm gonna put it on line. You know, I just don't know how to do it right now. Look at me. I got everything. Potions, everything. That's real. See, if you think it, so be it, right? Okay. Without the thought process, it doesn't exist. Now, look at that post. That's tight up like this. See, that's why I have troubles every now and then. But look, I'm telling you, man, I just look like this. Understand what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That could be all yours. Understand me? You know what I'm saying? The bling, everything. Understand? Then that's pure gold right there. It ain't raining outside, is it? Oh, yeah. And then he said lightning. Oh, I don't know. All right, that'll be cool. Anyway, pure gold. Understand me? Now, you can meet me down the street at the liquor store and I'll cut you a deal. Hey, look, I got a song coming up for all that. Matter of fact, I'll do it right now. I'll go and do it right now. I'll do it right now. Go ahead. Go ahead and do it, POEL. All right, I'll do it. Wait a minute. Take a picture of that right there. That cheese. I got a whole lot of cheese in my refrigerator right now. I got it at the dollar store. See, you use your imagination. That cheese will turn into the real thing. Ching ching. There you get it. Hey, but back to the song. All right, check it out. Simpler plain, the simpler plain, the simpler plain. I don't need a rocket scientist, man. I don't need a rocket scientist, man. I just got to keep it simple plain. Feel what I'm saying, man? Simpler plain, the simpler plain, the simpler plain. I don't need a Lamborghini on does, cause I got nothing but blood descending from the heavens up above. Simpler plain, the simpler plain, the simpler plain. Well, part of the game. Cats have a tendency to understand. Now that's my knowledge reigns supreme. It's off the chain, man. Simpler plain, the simpler plain. Reality check. Due to the fact that we all the same. I just gotta keep it real, man. You feel what I'm saying, man? So I hope you understand. My beat and everything, acapella style, POEL. Yeah, so just keep it simple and plain, man. You got to get a golden toilet, man. Understand what I'm saying? Be rich spiritually. Real talk. Peace. God bless.